So welcome back, guys. In today's video we are going to be troubleshooting this error message: boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. So if you're having this issue, one of these two things might be wrong. Number one is either your hard drive or your SSD has pulled out from the slot, or your operating system that is being installed on the system is corrupted and you need to reinstall a new operating system. So we are going to start by confirming if the SSD or the hard drive is properly plugged on the system. Some SSD or hard drive don't have a protective case that can hold them firmly on their slots, so they easily get pulled out, maybe while you are lifting your computer or something. So we are going to start by checking if our SSD is properly plugged. So you start by loosening the back screws. So in our own case, the SSD is firmly seated on the slots, so that's not the issue. So we are going to be proceeding to step number 2, which is to reinstall a new Windows on the laptop. And if you do that and it doesn't work, then you have to replace the SSD with a new one. So for the next step, you are going to plug a bootable flash drive to your laptop containing Windows. So when you turn on the laptop, for HP users, continually press F9. So go to boot mode, and then you'll see this option right here. So the name of our flash drive is USB SanDisk. So you click on enter. That's the first option. You click on enter. So you're going to come to this Windows. Now, if you don't know how to create a bootable flash drive, you kindly drop it in the comment section so I can make a video on it. So you click on next. Click on next. Now from this interface, as you can see, the next button is grayed out because you must click on I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. So you can only choose this option before you'll be able to click on next. So if you want to go back to the previous setup interface, where you can choose either to keep your personal files, so you click on this place and then you go to next. Click on install. Click on I accept software license. Click on next. Now you go to custom install. Click on it. Now, if you want to keep your files, you click on the partition you want to install the Windows on. That is your C drive. It's always the one that is showing primary. So you click on it and then click on next. That means whenever you install the operating system, you can always go back to your Windows old and restore back your files. Also, if you don't know how to recover your files using the Windows old, let me know in the comment section so I can make a video on it. So for this, I will be deleting this partition because I want a fresh and a clean installation. So I'll be deleting everything. Everything is set as new. Then I'll click on next. So this is going to count, and then you just have to give it time to do the proper installations.